So this is going to be a stretching workout, if you want to call it a workout. But anyway, a nice stretch for you to do. So grab yourself like a towel or a band, and I've just realised I haven't got mine, so I'll get mine, and we'll meet you back here. Right, so let's start off with sitting down on the ground. Okay, then we'll stretch through the hamstrings. So put your towel or your band over your feet, unless you're super flexible anyway, then you don't need to do that. You can probably just flop forward. But the idea is what we want to do is we want to get you up straight and then pulling forward, okay? As opposed to, a lot of people do this, but you actually stick your chest out and lean forward into it, okay? Once you've got yourself far enough forward, you can relax into it a little bit, but the idea is actually to be stretching through your hamstrings, okay? So hold that for about 30 seconds. Something's better than nothing. I'm tightening my calves at the moment, so I can actually feel this through my calves as well. So that's what I like about putting a towel or a band around your feet. It actually pulls on there as well. But some of you might be fine. You can reach there easily. Okay, from there, we're going to go for a turn and face you so you can see it. Put your feet wide apart. Okay, stretching the inside of the thighs, and then walk yourself forward. Now some people are going to be really flexible in this position, other people are not. So it really depends on you. I'm not. Used to be able to do the side splits once, can't anymore. But yeah, just do the best that you can. When you are stretching, or the reason we stretch is actually just to relax the muscles out and to increase our flexibility, and the easiest to do when you are actually warm. So this one, I want you to roll your hips forward, and then push forward, okay? So you should feel it through here, possibly through your quads as well. So this is your quads. You can intensify this one if you want. Sometimes fall over when I do it, but I'll show you if I can. Yeah, I didn't fall over. And this will intensify it a bit more. So just holding that stretch there. That feels good. Get into the chest a little bit too if you can. If you can't reach there, something to aim for later, okay? Right, and then the other side. So remember, roll under, lean forward. You can hold some of these stretches for a little bit longer if you want. And then again, if you can, this might be the side to fall over on. No, it didn't. Yay, life goals. Incredibly tight on this side. Just hold it there. This side I've been foam rolling for a bit. It's had a few knots in it. A bit of a twinging knee. Turned out it was my hip was jammed up, so once I got that foot back in, not a problem. Okay, from there, find a wall if you can. Put your hand up the wall, okay, and then turn away from it. Okay, and keep your elbow down, don't let it come up too high. So you still want to also keep your shoulder blade down, stretching through the chest, okay? Oh, far out. I can hear the local high school, which is a long way away, doing their school hackers. It's pretty cool. Okay, don't know if you can hear them or not. Hand against the wall, turning around. That's good. So through the chest again. Okay. Very good. Okay, so hands up into the sky. Put one hand behind your head, pulling your elbow. Okay, so this gets through the lats and into the triceps as well. Soften the knees. I've got a bit tight on my knees. Good stuff. And then the other side. I'll have to show you a video sometime how far away the high school is so you understand what I mean. Quite a long way away. but they're quite impressed I can hear them from here. Okay, good stuff. Release that out, put your arm in front, pull it across. So I like to stretch out because it helps me identify where I'm tight and where I need to put extra work in, or maybe foam roll, which I'll go over foam roll in another day. And it just, reduces the likelihood of injury, and it's a good chance to help us improve our mobility. So I encourage you to do it. Okay? Anyway, I'll see you in one of the other videos. Thanks for joining me.